Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to do the dreadlocks braid using the dreadlocks here. Quick and easy. First you're gonna need a comb, you're gonna need a crochet needle to do this. Yes, you're gonna need a crochet needle. It's gonna be quick and easy. Yeah, a quick and easy updo. In case you're going out, you don't want to go to hairdresser, so you could do it really quick, really easy. Yes, I'm going to show you how to do it. Tune in. Yeah, I lost the first part of my video. However, this is like almost towards the ending I have right here. So as you could see, I reached pretty far with this right already. You're gonna push the crochet needle through, you're gonna loop it through the hair, and then you're gonna make a knot and pull it forward. As you can see what I'm doing there, I put it through, put it under the ear or on top of the ear, whichever one you feel comfortable with, and then you pull it through, make a knot, and then you will pull it through again. And that's what you're gonna do throughout the whole hair until it's all done. Yeah, simple, easy hairdo. Yeah, quick and easy. You loop it under the hair, and then you're gonna put the hair on the crochet needle, and then you're gonna close it and pull it under. Yeah, simple like that. Then you're gonna make a tie, pull it out, quick and easy. I only make like one knot. You could make another knot if you want to like keep it firm. You could make another knot, but I did not do that. I just do like one tie and that's it. So if you want, you could make another tie. I did not do that. Yeah, it's quick and easy, guys. So you put it under the ear, and then as you can see there, I'm opening the braids to make the knot, and then I pull it through. And that's what I'm gonna do throughout the rest of the hair. As you can see, that's the back right there. I'm already finished the back. I already finished the back, and I'm just gonna do it continuously throughout the rest of the head. Yeah, as you could see, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna do it throughout the rest of the year. And if you want your part to be much smaller, you could add more hair at the top. That's what I really did to make it smaller. Yeah, guys, so if you're going out so you need a quick hairdo or whatever, you could do that. As you can see, I'm going back through the back to fill it in. Like if you have leftovers here and you want to go back through and fill it in to make it more full. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right there. I just go through it, fill it in, do it all over again to give it a nice full fluffy look. Yeah, and I'm doing basically the same thing over and over again. Loop it through the hair, under the hair, and then I make a knot and pull it out. Basically that's what I'm going to be doing throughout the rest of the hair. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you like this video, comment down below, tell me if you did it and if you got it, and let me know. Yeah, as you can see there, I was just playing around with her. Yeah, that looked like a really yeah, it looks funny, but that's what I was doing. That was fun, guys. Yeah, comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Shav_China G. That's Shav_China G. Don't forget to share. Comment down below, tell me what you think about my braiding techniques, If you like it, did it work for you or not? Just let me know. Yeah, as you could see, I'm going back through it again. I'm doing the same thing over and over again just to make sure she gets all of her hair. I was actually using 4 packs, guys. Yeah, 4 packs. Those packs actually came small, like there's not a lot of hair in the packs. However, yeah, I use 4 packs. Yeah, as you can see, I'm going through it to fill it out, make sure that everywhere gets adequate amount of hair and it's nice, full and fluffy. As you can see, I'm just doing the front. As you can see, I'm doing the same thing again. I put it in between the hair and then I'm gonna close it and pull it through. Quick and easy dreadlocks hair. Yeah, quick and easy. So if you guys going out, you don't want to go to the hairdresser, you want to get something quick and easy, you could do that. And that's the finishing product, guys. Yes, guys, that's the finishing product of my hairdo. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Yeah, comment down below, tell me what you guys think about it, if you guys like it or if you guys don't like it, but just let me know what you guys think about it. It's nice, guys. Yep, there you go. It's nice, fluffy. Yeah, that's it. And I use black because she liked black, so you could use whatever color you want to use it. I will show you a next video of how I style it, guys, but for now this is how you do it. Quick and easy dreadlocks hairdo. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Shav_China G. Yes, guys, that's it. Yeah, that's the ending of the video, guys. Tune into my next tutorial and I will show you guys more hairdo and also a lot of other fun stuff, guys. Yeah, see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.